This is the second part of 5.1 functions. So, how to identify a one-to-one function? We have two methods here. The first method is called graphical method. And we can do this by using horizontal line test. So, the first step is to draw a horizontal line that intersects with your graph. And that horizontal line should cut the graph at one point only. So, kalau kamu lukis horizontal line dan dia sentuh graf kamu sekali saja, itu maksudnya function tu adalah one-to-one function. The second method is called the Algebraic Method. And kat sini kamu tulis saja, let x1 and x2 be an element of the domain of f. So, ini apa-apa value x1 dengan x2 dalam kamu punya x-axis, tak kisahlah apa pun value dia. This symbol maksudnya element of. Yang huruf D and then F kecil kat bawah tu, D kat situ maksudnya domain. And then F yang kecil tu maksudnya adalah function. So, domain ni basically dia adalah interval of x. This means that the two values x1 and x2 should be any value within the interval of x. Okay? And then kamu tulis saja fx1 equal to fx2. And your aim is to get x1 equal to x2. So, untuk algebraic method, dua step ni wajib. And then bila kamu solve fx1, fx2 ni, at the end kamu patut dapat x1 equal to x2 sahaja. Okay? So, kalau kamu dapat x1 equal to x2 sahaja, ini maksudnya function tu adalah one-to-one function. Let's do example 2. Determine whether f, okay, f here maksudnya adalah function fx. Ataupun kita boleh panggil dia sebagai function y. You need to determine whether f is a one-to-one function. So, kalau dia sebut one-to-one function, maksudnya kita ada dua method. Graphical ataupun algebraic. So, tengok soalan. Kalau soalan suruh guna graphical, lukis graph. Kalau dia suruh guna algebraic method, kamu kena guna algebraic method. But in this question, it's not specific. So, you can use either method that you like. So, I'm going to teach you how to use both for each question A, B, C, etc. semua tu. So, let's start with part A. We have fx equal to 2x plus 3, where x is an element of R, iaitu real number. So, maksudnya, x can be any number in the number line, in real number line. So, let's use method 1, which is graphical method. Okay, graphical method maksudnya kamu lukis graph fx kamu. Alright? So, this is the graph of y equal to 2x plus 3. So, nanti-nanti kat bawah ni, Miss akan ajar kamu macam mana kamu nak lukis graph. But for this one, kamu tengok saja dulu. So, this is the graph of y equal to 2x plus 3. If you want to use graphical method, this means that you need to use horizontal line test. So, just draw any horizontal line that cuts your graph. Say that I draw the horizontal line here. Therefore, we can see that there is only one intersection point. And you can write down a horizontal line intersects the graph at one point only. Therefore, fx is a one-to-one function. So, recall balik, untuk horizontal line test, kalau ada satu point sahaja, bermaksud dia adalah one-to-one function. Now, let's try and use algebraic method. Just write down, let x1, x2 be an element of df. D kat situ besar, f tu kecil. Tak payah susah-susah, tulis saja. And then, kamu tulis fx1 should equal to fx2. So, both of these sentences are compulsory. Wajib untuk kamu tulis dua-dua ni. So, apa maksud fx1, fx2? Tengok balik pada soalan. Fx is equal to 2x plus 3. So, kalau kat sini X, ini pun X. Kalau Miss tukar ni jadi Y, ini pun akan tukar jadi Y. So, what does it mean by fx1? This means that we substitute x1 into x. So, fx1 is 2x1 plus 3. What about fx2? This means that we substitute x2 into x. So, we will get 2x2 plus 3. So, daripada step ni, kamu mesti cancel out benda yang sama satu per satu. Okay? So, benda yang paling simple untuk kita cancel out adalah benda yang sama, which is plus 3 and plus 3. And now we have 2x1 equal to 2x2. Cancel out the same thing, which is 2 here. And we will get x1 equal to x2. So, untuk algebraic method, what happens if you get x1 equal to x2? It means that your function fx is a one-to-one function. So, you can write down, since x1 is equal to x2, therefore, fx is a one-to-one function.